Hello everyone, welcome back to the another episode of Wisdom Bites. I am Munira, Assistant Professor and Head Department of English. Today, let me talk about comfort zone don't create legends. So we all want to be in our comfort zone, aren't we? So think of your favorite blanket on a cold winter morning. Warm, safe, you enjoy. And you want to stay back for long, forever. Isn't it? It's comfortable. Is it memorable? No, never, right? So the comfort zones are like the blanket, like a favorite blanket. Of course, it protects us, it keeps us warm, safe, but at the same time, it also hides us from the sun rays that we were meant to chase. So now you need to decide whether you want to be in your comfort zone and be away from the sun rays, which explores or opens a door of opportunity for you. So the choice is yours. But at the same time, we need to think why most of us want to be in our comfort zone. What makes us to be in our comfort zone? Because this comfort zone whispers us, see, you're fine here, you're comfortable, isn't it? So you need to understand that the word fine is the enemy of extraordinary. So if you want to do something extraordinary, then you should not settle with something you're fine with. I'll tell you a story. See, imagine a bird in his nest and you're providing food, water, and it's safe there, isn't it? Now, thinking that I'm comfortable here, if the bird chose to remain or stay in the nest itself, the very purpose of the life of the bird will be gone wrong, right? See, it has a wing which can be used to explore and fly in the vast sky. But now, if that bird chooses to remain in the nest, thinking that the bird is comfortable there, it gets food, water and shelter, everything, then the sky won't come to its door. If the bird really want to explore and to find the purpose of his life, then it has to use the wing and it has to fly, right? So in the same way, you may not have seen a person framing his photo of doing nothing. Isn't it? Whether we like to frame a photo of doing nothing? No. We remember only when we do something extraordinary, something scary, something new. So that means we are stepping out of a comfort zone and only then the opportunity waiting for us, we can explore those opportunities. And I'll also give another example. See the ship. The ship will be safe in the harbor. But the ship is not meant for that. In the same way, you are not the ship which is going to be safe in the harbor, but you need to be the ship which is going to explore in the ocean. So again, the choice is yours. So our brain is wired to an extent where it prefers to be in the comfort zone, but only when you break that chain and when you step out of your comfort zone and you try to do something, definitely throughout your life you will be remembering that. And the studies also have shown that people in their deathbed, they regretted not for the things they have done, but thinking about the things which they have not tried. Isn't it? So in the same way, if you take examples of the great personalities, the so-called legends like maybe APJ Abdul Kalam, Mary Kom, they all stepped out of their comfort zone and their discomfort was their poverty. Okay, so they stepped out of that and they become the great leaders. So you need to think whether you want to be comfortable or you want to be remembered throughout your life or maybe even after that. So for that, it's not really necessary that you need to jump off the cliff, but a small step, a one step ahead or a thing you decide to do, which itself will be enough. So for that, what you can do? How you can step out of your comfort zone? See, you just make your mind decide that I'll be doing at least one thing scary in a week. It may be addressing the gathering, it may be giving an audition, or whatever it is. It may be something scary, it may be something new. The choice is again yours. But you need to do that, or you need to decide that you are doing something different. In the sense, it's a small step that makes you step out of your comfort zone. In the same way, you need to learn how to befriend failure. So this failure is fine. We will know, or we can enjoy the fruit of success only when we experience failure. So it's okay to fail in life or in whatever we do, whatever we try, but the regret is something that weighs more than the failure. And this regret we will be carrying throughout our life. Like a shadow, it will follow us wherever we go, whatever we do. That regret always will be there for not trying something we should really wanted to try. So, you decide whether you want to be a person under blanket. There are many who chose to remain under their blanket, but at the same time, world expects more people in the arena. So, a small step will help you to step out of your comfort zone, and that will make you maybe a legend in the future. So you decide whether you want to be under your favorite blanket, doing nothing in your comfort zone, or whether you want to do something memorable to carry throughout your life. Thank you.